Hi there! I want to share with you this new project called Neverawayteams. If you're working remotely, surely you know that, sometimes, your computer will let other people know when you're not there. You're probably asking yourself these questions. How can I prevent Teams from going away? How can I make Teams always available? The answer is very simple: Neverawayteams app. No need to install. 100% free. There are two versions of this software: Lite version and Premium version. Let's talk about the Lite version. It does all the work needed if you can't afford the Premium version. It prevents Teams or any other program from going away. It has a function called Stop Blocking Timer. Here you can set up the time you want Teams to be available. For example, I work 9 hours a day, so I will set 9 hours on the timer, and will click on play button. It will start a countdown. When it reaches 0 hours and 0 minutes, Teams can go away again, because I've finished my shift. On top function. It will make the app always appear over other applications. Disable function. It will disable the main feature from program, and your Teams is now allowed to go away again. Now we talk about the Premium version. It's the paid version of this program, the one that make this project live. It has same features that we saw on the Lite version and much more. It's undetectable. You can schedule when Teams or Skype will turn on and off. Choose your own schedules, weekday, hours, and minutes, to determine when your Teams or Skype will open and close. This way, you won't get caught by the Microsoft Teams report that your company has access to control you. It also will check your network connection periodically. When your computer disconnects from your wireless network, it will warn you with pop-ups. Once Teams is turned on, it will minimize it, so you don't miss any conversation on your mobile if you use the Teams mobile. This version has a Save Configuration button where you can save your configurations, so next time you execute the program you will not need to set up all over again. Also Windows Startup Box. It will open Neverawayteams when Windows starts. That requires administrator rights just for enable. It has auto updates. It means it will download automatically last important update to the folder where you have the executable. You just need to unzip and replace old one. On Premium version, only the important updates are mandatory to download. If the update is not important, it will show a notification that you can skip and will appear on the app a text saying new version, as you can see on the picture. To have access, it requires a small donation of €3 for the first computer, and €2 for every additional computer. You can check a video on my channel on how to have access. By giving that small donation, you are helping this project with paying the host and the .com domain, providing new features, help our team grow. Please use this application with moderation, it will not do your job. Don't forget to share it with your friends. That's all. Hope you enjoy this program. If you have any questions, don't forget to send us an email.